If you deleted your Instagram account and you want to recover it, you must know that according to Instagram's policy, you can't get back your previous account nor the username that you used before. However, if you disabled it temporarily, you can reactivate an account at any time. First, open your Instagram app. To reactivate an account that has been disabled temporarily, you simply have to log on to your account again. This action appears very simple, but it can be more complex than it seems. Instagram is very strict about reactivating accounts. You must also consider that if you deactivate your account temporarily, Instagram disables it only for 1 week. Enter your username and password. If these credentials successfully restore your disabled account, that means that your account is active again. If on the other hand, this step didn't work out and you couldn't sign in, you will need to reset your password. What happens if after following these steps you don't recover your account? If you couldn't get access after following all these steps, the best you can do is to contact Instagram directly to know what's going on. You can get in touch with them through the following. White circle, enter Instagram's help center from the internet. You can report broken features here, find instructions or report accounts that violate Instagram's rules. White circle, from your account you can tap on the option, something's not working. If you can't log into your account, click on I can't log in to find the instructions to restore your account. White circle, access to the Privacy and Safety Center and click on the option, report something, and you will be able to report the problem with other users or your own account. White circle, open Instagram Facebook page. You can go to www.facebook.com/instagraменglish. This is the best way to send a direct message, since there is no support email.